is all you'll need to make some delicious courgette tempura fritters. Courgettes, of course. The tempura batter is really easy. Sparkling water, plain flour, dash of sugar and some seasoning. First thing we're going to do, give your courgettes a wash, dry them off, cut the ends off, and then you're going to cut them into slices, about 1/2 centimetre thick. Into a pan with your sliced up courgette, over some boiling water, and then just going to boil them for a few minutes just to soften down, and just give them a pinch of salt to be going on with. With your courgettes simmering away, next put the flour into a mixing bowl, and then go in with a teaspoon of your brown sugar, a good pinch of salt, some black pepper, and then your sparkling water. I'm going to get them all mixed. No need to be too vigorous, just gently mix it. That's all it needs. It's quite a watery batter, but don't worry, that's what tempura is and that's what you want. And now, get your courgette slices. Take your courgettes out of the boiling water, let them cool down a bit, and then it's time to fry them. I'm going with a deep fat fryer, but you can just use a pan and some oil. So I'm going to coat the courgettes in some flour so that the batter sticks. Give them a dip in the batter, then in there. Cook them in batches. You don't want too many in there, otherwise you'll cool the oil down. When they've finished frying, put them out onto some kitchen roll and onto a plate. Get your favourite dip and get stuck in. By the way, it's a great way to get kids to eat vegetables.